Welcome to this overview of PROEX Food Fresh Market Sweet Corn Processing Solutions. We specialize in delivering turnkey, fully integrated lines that help fresh, tray-packed sweet corn processors maximize recovery and optimize capacity while reducing labor requirements and mitigating damage. Let's take a quick look at several PROEX Food machines, standard fresh corn line process flows, the numerous PROEX Food automation levels and options, and how we support your operations from start to finish. At PROEX Food, we're the global leaders in fresh sweet corn processing. Our one-stop shop approach ensures you have everything you need to create efficient, hygienic, and productive lines. From our best-in-class iNTELLIPRO, Cobb saw, and Husker to our global technology portfolio, our engineering team is ready to customize your line. They are also ready to properly integrate all of your equipment and properly commission your line. And when you need spare parts, we are ready for that. The team at PROEX Food works with you to determine your specific needs. Your in-feed product quality, final product requirements, space budget considerations, and more allow our design engineers to customize your line. A common process flow includes in-feed metering, top and tail cutting on the saw, mechanical husking, green ear sorting, defect inspection, tray packing, overwrapping, labeling, metal detection, and loading. The layout, machine models, and technology integrations are customized for you, as your needs are absolutely unique. We do have more simple entry-level options all the way up to high-capacity, lights-out, completely automated lines. The goal is to grow and scale with you, with the right mechanical, digital, and perhaps even robotic technology that makes sense for your specific growth plan. We are very proud of our saw. We call it an iNTELLIPRO saw as it is designed to integrate with turnkey, digitally enabled lines and to capture and send machine and product count data into our Connect Plus system. No matter if you are implementing that level of technology or not, this unit is made to perform at the highest level. Our iNTELLIPRO saw has the highest in-feed capacity in the market, in 2 capacity configurations. It has a robust, refined design with stainless steel, even for the in-feed chain. High visibility alignment lasers make the job easier for manual load configurations. The cutter head is more efficient than ever before, and is optimized for both fast maintenance and excellent waste transfer. This is the best saw you can get. We do have a more entry-level saw as well, if that's what makes more sense for you. Much like our saw, our iNTELLIPRO Husker was designed to be integrated into a digitally enabled line. Whether you take advantage of that or not, it is the highest performing, most modern mechanical Husker in the market. This is the only Husker from a US company that has a hygienic, fully stainless, fresh configuration. We also have models and features for both processed sweet corn and seed corn operations. This unit comes in 4, 8, 12, and 16 lane configurations. Our Husker and in-feed shaker are made to fit the same footprint of A and K and Hughes Huskers. We have many features that set us apart, including options for one-touch clamshell opening, HMI controls, air and water options for lines where that is applicable, nubbin eliminators, and more. When you want an efficient, made-to-last Husker, there is no better. Now let's take a quick look at a PROEX Food line in operation. You will see that the line has some of the features we talked about earlier and a custom line design that was optimized for this specific customer. This line has manual saw loading, and you can see that only a couple operators are able to handle the load of up to 150 years per minute on this line. The count sensor captures this data for further analysis. These cobs have been top and tail cut, ready for husking. On this line, an elevator takes top and tail cut cobs up to the shaker and husker. Our W-pan is best in class at even distribution. This helps optimize husker performance. Our fresh husker is fully stainless and equipped with low-profile rolls, air and water. On this line, green ear sorting and tray packing are manual. We do have options to automate these tasks. Look at how beautiful and uniform these are on the tray. Let's keep going to even more exciting options. For lines who want an additional level of automation, iNTELLIPRO scanning provides you with precise grading and sorting capabilities. This helps you ensure that you only spend time and resources processing usable ears. This system uses X-ray scanning tech and proprietary image analysis software to grade each cob in real time. You can assign up to 3 grades, and we can have those grades go to different next process stages. This technology also enables robotic saw loading. Our patent-pending technology is ready to revolutionize your operation. Our iNTELLIPRO Connect platform enhances collaboration and data-driven decision-making. All PROEX Food turnkey lines currently come with the Essentials plan, giving you digital access to your manuals and parts lists, plus support ticketing. Connect Plus opens you up to the world of industrial IoT, including data aggregation and dashboard reporting. Connect Plus also has options for preventative maintenance checklists, illustrated step-by-step instructions, and more. When you are ready for robotic integration, PROEX Food is the only corn processing machinery OEM offering to do this advanced work for you. We know how this can transform your business and know how to do it at a reasonable cost. From robotic saw loading all the way through palletizing, we have several options to integrate this transformative technology in your operation. Don't forget, a robot is consistent all day long and never calls in sick. By implementing PROEX Food machinery and line solutions, you'll experience measurable improvements in throughput, quality, and labor reduction. As automation increases, your headcount needs decrease, allowing you to allocate resources strategically. We truly are your one-stop shop for transforming your business. This is a simple explanation of the impact of multiple automation options on your operation. PROEX Food also provides extensive after-sales support to keep your equipment running smoothly. We stock many parts in multiple warehouses and are ready to help you minimize downtime. We can offer several annual spare parts kits. Thank you for exploring our fresh market sweet corn solutions. The PROEX Food team is here to help you achieve your processing goals with customized, innovative systems designed for long-term success. Visit our website at www.proexfood.com or email us at sales@proexfood.com for more information or to discuss your specific needs. We also have our phone numbers listed on our website. We look forward to working with you.